Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. Good morning. Kenny. Good morning. No blown combines. Nice. Or live accounts. There you go. Absolutely. Keep our heads above water. Welcome from Delaware. Good to see you. Marcos, good morning. Paul, good morning. Apex reporting trade await. I don't have a trade await account with Apex. I do have with MyFundedFutures. No issue so far. I didn't heard about that. AA, good morning. They sent an email out Friday saying updates and didn't say when they would back up. Okay. I have to check my emails. I wasn't at my computer all that much over the weekend. I also forgot to do my updates. By the way, I am in a trade, in a small trade, on evaluation only. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. So this is Nasdaq. And by the way, hell of a weekend of what happened with good old Trumpy. Anyway, this is the 15-minute chart, and let's go to the 1 hour first. So we had this huge drop last week, 600 points, and we retraced back. We retraced back on NQ all the way. Oops, sorry. All the way to 61.8. Look at that. I'm not saying to the tick, but we went back to the 61.8. And now, I mean, it started to melt down. Could be a continuation of a sell-off. So that's why it's risky. You're long. All right. Dran, good to see you, Dran. We're going to go to gold in a minute. So it seems like this can do anything, of course. It can also go down to sweep liquidity according to the 1 hour chart. But again, it started to fall, but then it got some support here after the Sunday open. Sorry, not Sunday, but the Sunday definitely, the Sunday open managed to make some support here. Now we could continue higher. And let's see, what else do we have? If we go down to the 15-minute, we do see some order blocks on the 5-minute. I'm going to go to the 5-minute too, and maybe higher. But, you know, hard to say. I took a long position actually earlier before the stream. I thought that we're gonna go to this 5-minute fair value gap, which is also a 1-minute swing high, and continue higher. Well, if it's not going, it's not going. I can't do anything. Naomi, good morning. Good morning. So that's what happened. This was actually not lining up with my entry model at all. So it was a risky position for me, but anyway, I took it. And now I'm sitting in this position. I wanted to see this move to go higher, and particularly go on the 15-minute chart even higher and higher, maybe even break the 61.8 area. I mean, the 742, but it seems like we're not going there, not yet at least. So on the downside, we do have some Asian low. We have the volume weighted average price, volume weighted average price at 563. Otherwise, nothing special. My position is going to get taken out most likely. but it's just only on evaluation. Marcos is long at 601. All right, let's see. Let's see. So there's no deep logic why I took this trade. I just looked at the 1 hour chart. It seems like to me that it still wants to go higher, maybe, because everybody is short, I guess, from here. Because everybody anticipating a shift in direction, which could be, but I think the markets are overall bullish still, and I think we still have a chance to even go higher. Nasdaq is super bullish, and why not? You know, Spy Girl, hey. Ashevs, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good to see everybody. Good to see you guys. All right. So that's why I took it. It was a risky one, but it is what it is. Risk it for the biscuit. Otherwise, let's check gold real quick. Friday made a low here. Sunday open also created some kind of a support in this area. It's also a bullish order block down here at 2406. So this here, I'd say, is a bullish order block. Could go lower, and this is the 1 hour chart. Now that means there's a pretty high chance that we could take out these levels down there. This is a Sunday low, which is also Asia low. So let's put a sell side liquidity right here. My weekend, hey Spy Girl, my weekend, well, I was super tired, but I was sleeping a lot. I was visiting family. I wasn't even at my computer a bit, so I was absolutely outside IRL. No computer, no nothing. Can't see my chart. No electricity and no internet. What? What is going on there? No electricity, no internet. Well, so I think gold could take out these lows. Asia low, very close. I have no entry here. Nothing, but definitely a target. So, but I think gold is going down a little bit more. And the bigger target is down there at 2406, which is the bullish order block. But Asia low is the low hanging fruit. Sell side liquidity at Asia low. I'm not sure. There was a structure shift a little bit higher, so the entry could have been somewhere around here. I'm not saying it's not a risky target, but you know, with a 1 to 2 risk to reward, using the VWAP volume weighted average price, this could go down there, yeah, and take that out. Big storm. Oh, careful with that. Careful with the big storms. Although I think in Thailand that used to happen like in a matter of seconds. You can get a big storm. VWAP. 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 Okay. All right. I think I'm getting it. Okay, I'm getting there. Slowly I'm getting there. Yeah, I can imagine, like, in 1 hour you have a huge storm, and then everything is just goes all sunshine in a matter of 10 minutes. I guess it's normal around there. Say it fast and don't doubt yourself. VWAP. All right, the VWAP. The VWAP indicator. Yeah, I think they should be able. I mean, it's normal, so you should be having electricity and internet soon. Tornado warning for Chicago. Wow. Wow. Careful with the tornadoes. By the way, if you guys want to go short on the 5-minute, this is the short trade. Based on the classic ICT entry. Market structure shift, fair value gap. We have some targets, so this is a possible short. Now, I took a long position. I'm going to show you guys. This is my long position. I'm still targeting some higher prices. It's only because, well, let me see. If I go to the 15-minute, I would still like this area to be repriced and maybe go higher than 741. That could happen. So let's just wait it out. Gold can take the Asia sell side liquidity. Asia low. I'm not jumping into gold at this moment. So how we're looking? 2 hours and we have electricity. There you go. I don't know exactly where could we go. I'm a little bit bullish. I'm a little bit bullish on this. I think Nasdaq still wants to prove that it's super bullish, although this is just my gut feeling. It had a reaction, a beautiful reaction on the 1 hour last week on Friday at the 61.8. So that could mean like a lot of people wants to go short right now and, you know, just finally take more shorts, which is understandable, of course. But I saw this move too many times from Nasdaq, and, you know, it could be tricky, I think. So I took this trade. It's only on evaluation account, but I went against my rules. By the way, my accounts are, thank God, it's a little bit better since last week. More profits on the fundeds. So I'm only like about $600 away from getting a payout, which is good, but there's still way to go. What is happening? Happening with Apex? Apex is working. They paying out people last week as well. We had multiple people getting payouts last week from Apex. So yeah, the only issue they have, it seems like, is with trade await. The Rhythmic accounts are working right now, so I don't know. They said there's going to be a system update, but gold got me down bad last week. But BTC, okay, there you go. Gold's again effing you up. Don't worry about gold. I mean, there was a minor entry if you want to take out the Asia low, which is right here on the 1 minute. Otherwise, gold is very tricky, I think. There is a 1 hour bullish order block. 1 hour bullish order block down there. That could be a possible target. I'm not saying it goes there, but look at that. The Asia low, 2409, is in jeopardy right now. It swept this high and now it's just going down for it. So it's very close. I'm not jumping into that. It's not working. Oh, I mean, trade await accounts. I mean, the rhythmic accounts on my end are working. I only have trade await accounts with MyFundedFutures right now, so I don't know anything about what's happening with Apex trade await accounts. Marco, good morning. Marcus is in a position from 601 or 2 or 3, somewhere around there. All you need is 2400. Well, that's doable. I mean, why not? Look at this. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Enter here. There. Could have been an entry, right? Trade await. Now, I don't know why it's not working. It should be working. The thing is, guys, I am not taking trades on funded accounts only based on the 5-minute entry model that I have. This one that I took here, it was a super early entry. I was chasing price. This is not exactly the entry model that I like and I take. So, and I only took this trade on my evaluation account. So the only thing I can imagine here is if you go down to the 1 minute, you look to the left, there is a nice 1 minute swing high to the left, and we have order blocks, 5-minute order blocks. Well, it's not a perfect order block, so here, which is actually, yeah, it's not a perfect one, but anyway, that's what I thought that it could be. So this is my position. It's not the best position, I know. 657 is Marco's target. All right, let's see. Yeah, I don't think so. I think what it might want to do is that maybe if you go to the 15-minute, it may reprice some portion of this bearish candle and then could consolidate and drop lower. So even my TP, which is at 4650, is my TP, could be a little bit, well, could be a little bit too much. 1 minute swing high is my take profit. A little bit before that, 4650. Will approach. My internet not working. What a day, Spy Girl, come on. And by the way, since it's Monday and I wish everybody the best for the week, why not push the like button? Push the like and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have giveaways this week too, and some fun, good trades. Let's push the channel. We just went above 2600 subscribers. I'm super happy about you guys. Thank you for the support and being here, and we're approaching 3000 subscribers hopefully soon. Thank you everybody. And we still have some sales going on. Buleanox 83%. Take profit, no activation fee with take profit, 40% off. And now I have the same code for everywhere. So check out the discounts. Very good sales on any of these prop firms. No activation fee with Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures. So, and if you're looking for cheap upfront cost, obviously then Apex and Buleanox is the way to go. And TopStep 20% off additionally. if you register with a new account, or if you purchase some TopStep accounts, you can still give some credit to me by clicking my link before you purchase an account. Thank you, thank you. Sorry for the commercial. That was it. Yannick, hey there. Good to see you. Good to see you. What's happening? Gold is looking to take out that low, and then we'll see what's going to happen. What is ES doing? ES also climbing up. I think it will take out. Let's see, the high of this one is 83.50. I'm gonna put an alert here. If ES takes out this level, I want to know, you know, just in case. If ES pops higher. Hope everybody had a great weekend, by the way. I guess it's summertime, so everybody's enjoying the free time and everything. My free time in summertime, you know, I enjoy being here and trade and look the charts, you know. Even if I don't take a trade, I just, you know, analyze the charts. And I love this thing. I don't know. I mean, I don't know how to say this. I never really thought about this. Like, I mean, I already knew it. Hey, hi. Vishnav Raj, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. So I never really thought that I'm gonna like trading this much. First in my life, it was 2007 when I approached trading. And then, of course, I mean, it always amazed me that you can make money online from the comfort of your home with a click of a button, you know, without, you know, anyway. But of course, it's not that simple. But still, this is an amazing opportunity. This is amazing. I love trading. I never thought I'm gonna like it this much. Even when I was losing, I still like to figure out where this one goes. Fast track trading, nice. All right, Yannick, let's go, let's go. I think Crypto Panda had a payout from fast track trading last week. I think it was last week. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm not sure if he was paying with Tron, or I think maybe, I mean, so with crypto, but he also got a payout already, so that's good. That is good. That is good. All right, this is the waiting game, guys. So let's keep on waiting. Batista, good morning. Good morning. Zoltán, jó reggelt. Good morning. I'm looking for my. Oh yeah, can you explain the scaling rule? Yeah, it's actually, where is it? I know I put it out somewhere. Give me a second. They still have the old scaling plan. Just a second. I know I had it somewhere. Just give me a second. Where is that scaling plan? I can't find it anyway. So the scaling plan goes like this. It's not that difficult actually. Checking email. Hold on. Checking email. Checking email. Marcos is sitting in the money again. Marcos is sitting in the money. Look at this, guys. This is Marcos already printing. Already printing. Look at this guy. He is already printing. All right, so scaling plan. If you start with a 50K account, you can start with a starter account. If you start with a 50K starter account, there is a scaling plan, which means that you can start out with 1 mini or 10 micros until you reach $1,000. After $1,000, it goes up to 2 mini and or 20 micros. And I think from 2,000 it goes up to 3, I think. So the old scaling rule was a little bit different, but the thing is, you start out with 1 mini and 10 micros. But trust me, on a 50K account, it's more than enough. Even if I go start with an expert account, I don't really need more than 1 mini or 5 micros, whatever. So that's how you start. And as the profits are building up to your account, the more minis you can open. Now at TopStep, you can start with 5 minis, but honestly, you don't need that. The only time you need that is maybe if you want to YOLO the account. But even on my funded accounts or even on my evaluation accounts, I don't take more than, I mean, the evaluation accounts, for the ones that I have with MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader, there are relatively more expensive upfront costs than Apex or Buleanox. I don't want to YOLO it because I don't want to waste too much with YOLOing on those accounts. So I'm trading with 1 mini or 5 micros, 8 micros, whatever, you know, depending on if I want to take partials. So I don't need more than that anyways. And on my funded accounts, I don't need that. I don't need more. Anyway, that's how I do. I don't know why Apex Trader Weight. There is some issue with Apex Trader Weight. I don't know exactly why. They said that they are working on it. That's all we know. There is some technical issue, but I don't know. My MyFundedFutures Trader Weight account works fine, but with Apex, I don't have a Trader Weight account. Yeah, so it seems like it could be a server or connection issue. Should be fine. If you're in a position, if you're in a position, I think you can flat out your positions if you go to your dashboard at Apex. I think there's an option as a last resort. Is there? Flatten accounts. Let me go. Let me go. Okay, I'm here. Yeah, flatten accounts. But that's for Rhythmic. Okay. Trader Weight users. Okay. So if you go to Apex and if you're in a position, go to flatten accounts. If you're a Trader Weight user, you can, there's a link to follow. And you can flat your positions. Oh, They flattened everybody. All right. All right. Okay. Sorry. Okay, I didn't know. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, so it's a technical issue, it seems like. If not rhythmic, then trade away it. Hey, 7 money back, yo. Hey, Tom, past 100k in Buleanox. Nice. Activate PA account. Do I need to go to past qualification? Yes, you have to go log into your Buleanox account and you have to ask them exactly. There's a link for qualification request or something, and you have to ask them, and they're gonna do it. So it's a manual process. Every other platform sends you an email automatically. At Buleanox, you have to do it yourself and ask them to activate or send the activation link, or you know. So that's how you do it. On Friday they said there will be working. Yeah, I guess they're still working on it. A bit confused. Yeah, it's absolutely. This is how only Buleanox works this way. It's fine. You have to request it yourself. Activation process could take up to 1 or 2 business days. For me, one day. I mean, last time it took me almost 2 days, almost 2 business days when I got my activation link. Other ones are saying it's usually 1 day. I also heard that somebody was asking an activation during the London session, and during the same day in New York session, he got the activation link. So it depends, I guess, because they do it manually. Depends how overloaded their staff is. Last time I received mine after 2 business days. Just saying, so don't be surprised. Flight canceled. Oh, that sucks. All right, gold took out the low, spiked a little bit lower here. Well, I think I'm gonna go to maybe there's 2 options I'm thinking of. I have actually a place where I always used to go. It's called Smokwica. Smokwica. It's right below Crikvenica or Novi Vinodolski. So there's a beautiful apartment place there. I have a friend actually there who builds apartments, and I used to go there every now and then, and he told me that he always has a place for us to stay. And it's now that place is not crowded. There is no shops, there's nothing, no souvenir shop, but not even a bakery, nothing. It's a completely empty place. There's only buildings there for you to rest, you know. So those are the places I like. I don't like the crowd. I'm sorry. I'm not that kind of person. I don't like when the place is super crowded. I don't like when there are like 20 shops around my house and everybody is crowded and everybody is yelling. The streets is full. I don't like that. I like peace. I like quiet. I like the birds singing and nothing, you know, just, and that's it. If I want to buy something, I sit in the car and I drive to some place and I buy whatever I want. But that's how I like to have my vacation. So I don't like to go to crowded places. And I always ask around before I go anywhere, that is the place crowded? Do we have shops? Do we have, you know, that the small souvenir shops all around the street, you know, which is awesome, which is super great. But I don't want to stay in the middle of the street in an apartment where everybody's, you know, it's stuffed with people. If I have to, I go somewhere, I don't know, a quiet place. But this is only me. Border of France and Switzerland, but I'm from Spain. Nice. There was scorching heat. Oh yeah, it's same here now in Hungary. Spain 2020. Oh yeah. Spy Girl she is like, she's seen everything. 32-ish. Yesterday here and on Saturday we had 39 degrees Celsius. 39 degrees Celsius on Saturday here in Hungary. I was like, this is not possible. And you know, and we were planning a vacation to go maybe to Egypt or whatever. Maybe anyway, I just decided I might not going to go anywhere. Maybe I'm just gonna wait for December, or maybe I don't know. I don't want to be, you know, melting in 42 degrees Celsius, because I just don't enjoy it. If I would have to choose, I might even travel to Alaska, you know. Never been in Egypt. Yeah, quiet, beautiful nature around you. Exactly. I have a little treasure village in Croatia. I like it. Ika. Okay, there you go, Zoltan. Exactly. Those are the places that I like. Quiet place, no crowd, no shops and markets and nothing. And I'm sorry to tell this to anybody, I'm saying this with all my respect and everything. I don't have a kid yet. I don't have a child yet, although I would like to. But you know, I love kids. They're great and everything, and family is forever, you know, whatever. But when I go to vacation, so last time we went to a place, I'm not gonna say where because obviously it's not about the place. I mean, the beach was so crowded. I had to go out. I had to get up 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. in the morning, walk down to the beach, take my blanket, whatever, and put down on the bed, so I have a place a little bit later on. So I went back down around 9 a.m. It was full crowded. I sat down on the bed, and every single square meter around me was crowded with people. And on top of that, all around me was crowded with 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 5-year-old children, with families, of course, everybody. So I was hearing children crying behind me, next to me, in front of me. There was a little 2-year-old boy running all around next to me, and all of a sudden he just starts to piss next to me. I was, you know, sitting on my bed, and he was, and I said, no, this was the last time. I am not going to go to a place which is so crowded, especially with so many families with small little children, which are awesome. I love them. But you know, if I want to take a vacation and rest, I need a quiet place. And anyway, this is what happened. And I said, next time I want to go definitely to a very quiet and peaceful place. No children crying, no people, nobody. Tenerife, I have been there. Come to Sweden. We have very nice. Oh, nice, Emily. Okay, definitely. I will look at it, Zoltan. You enjoyed it? Nice. Yeah, we're looking at it. So it won't be a problem. Nice. All right. You want to combine Santiago? The French way. You're still young. You have time. Yeah. when I will be 70, right? When I will be like Al Pacino or Robert De Niro. Yeah. Lake Como. I heard so much about Lake Como in Italy. I guess it's like one of the crown jewels of Italy, Lake Como. I guess all the rich people have places there, right? Is George Clooney living there? I think he lives there. I think George Clooney lives there. Not sure though. I'm still in this trade, you know. I don't know why. I'm still in this. Still have no idea how I survived for this long in this trade, but I'm in this. You like to trade? That's good, you know, because I wasn't sure if this is a good idea to target these these highs up there. But if you look at the 1 hour chart, then obviously, the 61.8 had a nice reaction. I think it was enough for people to lure into shorts to break lower, which could be happening, of course. But this is also became an order block, and I think Nasdaq can trick all those shorts to once more and even go higher, make a new all-time high. We didn't quite reach the 21K still, but what if this is a trap? As Admiral Akbar would say, this is a trap for the shorts, and it can squeeze higher. And we have an order block, we have a swing high with fair value gap and stuff like that. So what if that could be a target? FX and Trophy, oh my god, I didn't see you there. I'm so blind. Good morning, FX and Trophy. Coffee, please. Here's the coffee. I can give, you're always welcome to a coffee, FX and Trophy. Just, come here. I'll buy you a nice lunch, dinner, and coffee, as much as you like. I appreciate it. No trading here, yeah. This trade, I took it before the stream, so I'm already sitting in it for almost 50 minutes now. Teddy Bear, you live in France. Have you completed the Camino? I heard about that. A lot of people are going on that route. You have to walk like 30 days. It's like a 30-day walk or something. Is that the thing? Or it's a different thing? I don't even know. Okay, Zoltan, you're welcome. Let me know if you're coming. I know some good places for you. You're always welcome for some lunch and dinner and coffee. My treat. It looks very good on Nasdaq. Let's go, Marcos. I hope the profit is speaking from you. Absolutely, Zoltan. Absolutely. We should do like a big gathering, a big meeting here in Hungary. You guys just let me know. We will do a registration form, so I will know how many people will come. I can make some accommodations, and we're going to do a big party. Traditional Hungarian foods on the table. I'm up for that. All right. Let's go. Let me zoom this out again. I'm for meeting, definitely. We're gonna do the meeting, not just the eating, but the meeting too. 7 Money Bag Yo is down for it. Awesome, awesome. Zoltan, you did the El Camino in... Wow. I will be the DJ. I will be the DJ, and the songs will be like, you know, guys, that movie. It's one of my favorites. It's a trash movie, but it's one of my favorites. A Night at the Roxbury, you know, with Will Ferrell, you know, A Night at the Roxbury. What is love, baby? Don't hurt me, you know, don't hurt me no more. That's what I'm gonna do. What is love? That's the party gonna be. As long as... Oh yeah, I understand it, Emily. I understand you. Noted, and I feel you there. Did you like experiment? Looks interesting. 800 kilometers. Jesus, holy Christ. 800 kilometers. Whew. 800. You want to do it in September? Yeah, you need to, Spy Girl, if you do that, you have to vlog it. You have to do the vlog, you know. Nothing special, just you know, upload the video every now and then of how you're doing, you know. 800 kilometers, wow. Is it really true that it could be a spiritual, you know, I don't know. It's definitely a spiritual thing to walk 800 kilometers, especially up there. I will join you as car assistants. I'll bring food and refreshments and stuff, and some mobile internet for trading. That's awesome. Oh, you vlog all your adventures. Nice. That is awesome. That is awesome. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Nah, I'm gonna sing this all day long from now on. Roncesvalles was the first etap. Wow. I can't imagine what was it feel like, you know. I mean, I just can't imagine. I think it's really a life-changing thing. Okay, so here we are. Gold is still down here. I was looking at gold, didn't take the short here. We could have taken a short up there on the 1 minute. I didn't. Feels like we're still going down to the 1 hour bullish order block. And as for ES, still going sideways. I guess it's gonna wait for the London Open. So let's see. What is love? Oh, well, they're still sideways. Slow morning. Slow morning, but what can we do, right? $800K if you stop at Santiago, but we went down to Finisterre. Lovely little fishing village. Nice. Emily still cannot trade. Yeah, this session is slow now. Maybe the London Open will kick in some volume. Who knows? Good morning, Jackson. Good to see you. 5-6 weeks. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that's awesome. How are you, Jackson? I do sports every day from 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. Marcus, come on, hold on. Just, everybody stop. Everybody forget about trading. Marcus, 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. you do sports. I mean, there's only one logical explanation for this. Are you 20 years old? I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but how are you doing it? That's awesome. Away from my PC because you can't. No, don't say that. Never say that, because then it goes out to the universe. Say that I can trade. I just choose not to trade this morning. There you go. Sounds different, right? You're not missing. Yeah, not much of a movement here. Discipline for sports and trading. Oh yeah. By the way, I know that's, doing sports and trading is a good combination. It helps you to it helps you with discipline, helps you to trade your edge. So although I'm not really a big sports guy, I'll try to do my walks every week, but there's definitely it's a huge project for me to lose weight. So chasing the Nasdaq, that's a sport. I bet the market have you lots of discipline. Yeah, doing sports and trading is an awesome combination, I think. Trader won't let you. Yeah. I mean, I know. It could sound like we choose not to trade, but we can't. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's true. I know I sounded like that. I know, Emily, but I don't know what the hell is going on with the Apex Tradeaway right now. To be honest, I never had a Tradeaway account with Apex because I always choose Rhythmic because of the copy trading. All I can tell you is that with MyFundedFutures, everything works fine. So it could be on Apex's end, on the end of Apex. Lotta, good morning. I wish you guys would trade, but unfortunately you can't. Yes. And it's just sideways. We still have 6 minutes to go until the open. Look at that. We tapped into the bullish order block on the 1 minute, 1 hour on gold. Look to the left. Bullish order block to the left. And another one down there. This one can actually go down and take them all out. Why not? Have to be careful. I mean, if anybody would be asking me, I would be still bearish on gold. There's a swing low at 2404 from Friday, which is technically a New York AM session low. I would be scared to jump into a long here, but if I look at the 1 hour gold, well, can still go higher. On the 1 hour, we are pretty much bullish. We are, yes. And this one is a bearish order block on the 1 hour, so it can go back up there. But I'm not jumping in. Hey Kyle, 3 accounts is the maximum right now with Take Profit Trader, so yeah, hopefully they will extend it a little bit more. But you know, if you have 3 funded accounts, you can trade them separately. You don't really have to copy trade them. And don't forget, no activation fee with Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures. So that's a good thing. Discipline, yeah, daily life, you can, yeah. Mad about Trump news, yeah, that was really crazy. I woke up because in our time it was nighttime, so I woke up in the morning, opened up my phone, and everything was, oh, Trump has been shot. I said, what the hell is going on? That was, I mean, imagine, I mean, if that shot would not have missed, the whole world would have been changed. I mean, a lot of things. I mean, I don't want to go into that. This operation is quite convenient. Comfortable. Okay. Teddy bear all the way. All right, we have less than 2 minutes. I think I have to synchronize my clock because it's not accurate. Let me synchronize it. Look at 620 hourly. Perfect kiss on that left wick. 620 hourly. Oh yeah. On the micro there was no kiss there, but on the mini I can imagine there was something. Low of this candle 22.75. The high on this candle was 20.75. On the micro, the low was 21.75. 25. I can't speak. 21.25. And the high of this candle was 20.75. So 2 ticks, but yeah, it was nice. It did go for it. All right, 30 seconds until London Open. We'll see what it does. I'm still sitting in this trade, but we'll see. Think the Trump news is going to affect the market? Maybe, but I think it should be having a bullish effect on the market. The way that, I mean, he survived, and the way that he showed that he's still strong and keeps on fighting, that is actually, I think it's a bullish momentum. It's a bullish sign for the markets. I don't know, but that's not just it. But you know, I guess we could talk about this for hours and hours. But I would say it's a bullish. The market is going to take it in a bullish way at New York Open. Here for the support. All right. Let me handle your account. Open. Yeah, let's see. Tom, you have a gift for Spy Girl and FX. Check email. All right. I'm going to check it. Hold on. Where is my email? I don't even know where it is. No, that was your chart, but where is my email? I have to go and check my email. Just a minute. What? Okay. So this is from Marcus. I should say Marcus sends his regards. And this other one also from Marcus too. This one and this one. And kind of interesting, you know, but I do feel you have talent there. Definitely. There you go. Spiker and FX. Oh, he is definitely. Look at that. Look at these lines. Oh, it's kind of scary, to be honest, but you know, this sketch could make a lot of fortune for me. So just send it over to me, the original one. It could be a good one. Marcus is a person with many talents, you know, with many talents. Sportsman, a sportsman, trader, artist, philanthropist, politician, world leader, movie star, everything. Let me introduce you to Marcos Sanchez. Screenshot. Yeah. Who knows what the next surprise will be from Marcus? And I'm going to do an intro dub for Marcus. A lot of red folders this week. Yeah, we're gonna have some. That's for sure. That is for sure. Hopefully we can have some good price action. It felt you are on the radio. Oh, really? All right. You know, in the first Iron Man movie, the very first one in 2008, there was a small 30-second monologue for Tony Stark. You know, I can imagine the same for Marcus, like Marcos Sanchez, philanthropist, movie star, trader, artist, and the sportsman. What can we expect? At a young age, when he was only 5, he already started arting, drawing better than Picasso. Then, later on, he learned the skills of trading, and by the age of 12, he was able to make his first $1 million. By the age of 14, he was able to make $20 million, and he already gifted all the money to the poor. So he became the world's first youngest philanthropist. By the age of 21, he incorporated his first trading firm. Yeah. Trader it working? Oh. Yeah, no. Hope for you guys it will work. Gold is still down there. We had a little bit of a bullish reaction on NQ. Not too much. There's still some distance to go on this, but yeah, anyway. We're sitting in this trade for a while, I guess, or we're going to. Could be taking the stairs, hopefully, up there, or, you know. You're bullish on gold. Nothing I can do about that, though. Oh, I feel you there, Emily. On the 1 minute, there could be a possible entry right now on gold. If anyone is up for risking it to the biscuit. Even if you enter here, you target that high. Tight stop. Could be. I'm not jumping there. Not yet, at least. This weekend, scrolling on YouTube, I found this guy who I think it takes music to another level. Really? Search for it. Ran, he ran. His style is unique. I'm gonna show you guys some art. Music art. Because, you know, I think it's art in a way. But let me... First I have to find it somewhere. I know I saved it to my favorite playlist. There's a playlist I have with my favorites. Favorites. Jesus. This is not what I wanted to start. Sorry about the noise. I have a favorites playlist. Where is it? I know I have it. I know I have it. I know I have it. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. And I'm not gonna find it because, you know, when I want to show it to you guys, I just can't find it. Is there a way I can search my favorites? No, that's not it. Damn it, why I can't find it? Ah, no, I can't. Oh, there you go. I have it. I have it. Check that Hiran. I heard about him, I think, by the way. It's very familiar. It's very familiar. Just a second. Okay, guys, so this is something. I know not every one of you guys are gonna like it, so turn down your speakers, but in a way, the thing that this guy is doing is art, I think. You know, I think. I put it to 37 seconds when he starts to do it, and I think this is just awesome. And this is art, in a way. Oh, Maverick and the boys are flying again. Almost. But the way what he does with the synth, this is just amazing. I love this music. Another Jean-Michel Jarre, yeah. Orders rejected. Oh no. Please, am I what? Sorry, Marcus. What? Which graph? 1 minute, 15 minute. Marcus, come on, talk to me, goose. He ran. Okay, I'm already searching for it. He ran. He ran. Is that the guy with the guitar? Something like that, right? Okay. Oh yeah, he's got talent, definitely. Definitely he's got talent there. Cool beats. Yeah, Isham. I mean, I just amazed that about the synth. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with Tradeaway, or how long is it going to take for them to fix it. The reticle is made to show split personalities. Wow. Yeah. So gold is down there, creating some sort of support. NQ slowly taking the stairs. ES still sideways, but yeah, NQ as well, technically. It's rejecting the 50% retrace a few times now. Oh yeah. PDGT PR SPC TV. Unfortunately, I only have Rhythmic account, I have no issue for now, but seems like people with TradeAway account have issues. On MyFundedFutures, the TradeAway works just fine, so I guess it could be an issue with on Apex. Says end. Need to start closing above 625. Yeah, that would be better. I would like that. I'm still sitting in this trade, but I have my second thoughts. No major news driver this London session again. If I look at the 15-minute, it's definitely ready for a huge tank any moment. We have some relative equal lows from on the 15 minutes on the mini down there. Wants to break. Target is 57. Oh yeah. I want to get out at 46.50. That's what I want to get out. So yeah. Very close to the order block. Yeah. On the 5-minute, it's getting closer. I do like that. Push the like button, guys, and subscribe. We're gonna do giveaways this week too. Stay tuned. So push that, smash that like, push it, smash it, you know. Thank you, guys. And of course, subscribe. Also, if you would like to help out the stream and me being here full time, please use any of my links and codes. You can use the tomsabo code for any of these prop firms except TopSTEP. If you would like to give some credit to me and get an additional 20% for a new account, just click on the link. Thank you so much, guys. And that is it. That was the commercial. Here we go. Hopefully, yeah. Let's see. Still not working. Oh. I don't know what could be the issue right now with Apex. No idea. I guess we'll see. For now, it's going. For how long, we don't know. At the moment, you're green. All right. We are antagonists. Marco. You're long, I'm short. get out pretty normal. Yeah, tape reading. So guys, yeah, nothing else to do for you guys then. Yeah, unfortunate. Couldn't do anything. Oh. Well, you know, it can be still a tricky one here, so don't Tutton, hey. 50% retracement of Friday high. Let's check it. Oh yeah. Here we are. At the 50% right now. We are at the 50%. Yes, I'm in a position, Spy Girl. I'm in a long position. I can actually show you guys that I'm copy trading between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts here. You guys can see it. Copy trading this with 3 micros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have more evaluations, but for now I choose this group. So that's where I'm in currently. But not funded accounts. On Monday, especially after what happened over the weekend, so I'm just evaluation trading. But I have to pull up these accounts too. Yeah, I'm long. It's still not over yet, and I'm only trading with micros, guys. So my entry was at 611, but it was a bad entry. I took it before the stream at around 145-ish. The better entry, I should have waited for it. At least, I mean, not the best, but I should have taken this one. This gap. Or maybe lower this small volume imbalance down there. Let me zoom it out here. So, actually, let me correct this. My optimal trade entry should have been down there. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. But I entered up there because I thought that it's just gonna go, and I entered and boom, it went down. So shoulda, woulda, coulda. The target didn't change on my end, so my target would be the 1 minute. If you go to the 1 minute to the left on Friday, my target would be the 1 minute swing high, and we have some order block there. Not just the 1 minute, but the 5 minute. We have fair value gaps, some liquidity levels to the left. So that's why I targeted that. My stop was almost taken out here, but my TP would be still at the same area at 46. Actually, my TP is at 46.25. 46.25. There you go. That's my TP. We'll see. So yeah. But there's still some space to go here. Finally on our team. Yeah. I entered that red candle, yeah. Good morning, Sanya. Already had the ticket before me. I was looking for, yeah, I mean, I wanted to chase it, and then it just came down to my optimal entry. Anyway, it is what it is. It is what it is. But if it takes me out, I'm not worried too much because I'm only risking about $90 or 100. I think I risk around $100. So that's fine. And it's only on evaluation accounts, so I'm not going to stress out all that too much on it. What did I miss? You see, it could be just, it could be also pulling back down. So this is not a solid trade. I was just hoping that it will take the stairs up there, but you know, it's not over yet. It looks nice, but it's already going against me a little bit. It's not over until it's over. So the problem is that I missed my entry. I mean, I messed it up because I entered prematurely chasing it, and I didn't wait for it to come back down, and eventually it did. I could have been using a wider stop if it decides to go down here. The draw on liquidity, I think, is up there. The question for me is only like, is it going to do some nasty liquidity sweeps down there before it goes up? Some dirty moves, you know, because that's what can happen. Some dirty moves, sweeping the 597 and then go back up there. And that's the problem, because I'm using a tight stop in this one because I messed up my entry. So yeah, if it takes me out, and if my entry would be still valid, I might re-enter as a second chance, but I don't know. And FX and Trophy is reinforcing its short at 28. Here, let's go. That can enter into the dump. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Pull back to 609 makes sense. Yes. Pull back to 609 makes a lot of sense. Not sense. Sense. I can speak. So I can expect that. And if it takes me out down there, I would still be looking to go long, but can I say VWAP? Is that the way to say VWAP? VWAP. VWAP. Volume weighted average price. Volume. VWAP. VWAP. I'm gonna practice that. It's not over till it's over. Yogi Bear. Yeah. Welcome. What is the crime? It is what it is. What can we say? I will go for the target with stop on break even. That's the best way. That's like a risk-free trade. You know, one thing I could do as well is I can just put this trade to break even, and if it goes down, I can re-enter with a better entry. That's also a possible way to manage this. So I could put this to a free trade, because obviously if it breaks lower than this candle here, you have a good chance to sweeping lows below that. So I could put this to break even, technically. Why not? But, we'll see. VWAP, 1 hour order block. Yeah, yeah, that could be a dump area. That could be that. By the way, the Apex $40 sale is still on, right? I think it's still on. You can still get your big accounts for $40, 150k, 250k, and 300k rhythmic, or also traderweight accounts. I think $40 with the code. Tonight we dine in hell. Means even the Spartans would be bearish on NQ. Yeah. There's a small sketch from Family Guy when Peter punched himself in the face and starts to bleed in the rain with a bunch of other people ready to beat him to death, and he says something like, I'm planning on dying tonight. What are your plans? I like that. I'm planning on dying tonight. What are your plans? I think you're 9 minutes. Bearish breaker at 6:48. Yeah. Our train will wait there if traderweight works. There you go. The train is waiting for traderweight users, guys. Gold is still down there on a support-ish congestion area, support level, whatever you want to call it. It feels like gold wants to break lower, by the way, just saying. If it does, the next sell side liquidity on gold would be there at 24.04. I don't trust the bulls on gold right now. I feel it's just, where's the low of the 1 hour order block? Let me check it. Oh, it's way down there. It's Friday's low. So that's Friday low on gold. Actually, maybe it would not be a bad idea to go short on gold. How about that? If it starts to go lower, which I think it does, I could be looking into that, especially on the 5 minute, right? And yeah. We will have to get a taxi at this rate. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see it. Beep beep. Let's go, everyone. Don't look at the red one-day candle. It's a discount. I think the Nasdaq is still in an uptrend. Let's look at it. Daily. Remove drawings. Yeah, this would be the red candle. Yeah, it's still bullish. This is not a shift. It would be just a reprice or a healthy correction, a pullback. So I would say we are still bullish. This is still bullish. So All right, I'm gonna fix a drink and go to the bathroom. I'll be right back, and I have to make a phone call too. I'll be right back in 2 minutes or so. Don't go away, push the like button, and let's pray for higher prices. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It seems like we have an alert on ES breaking higher. Okay. ES is making new highs. And seems like NQ follows as well. By the way, guys, I'm just letting you know, if the stream would be stopping, it's because there could be a power outage in my building, because they're fixing an electric cable on the street, and the word just came to me that there could be a power outage. any moment. They don't want to do it, but they might have to cut the power. I just received the message. So I could be having an issue with that. So if the stream goes off, it's because there's a power outage. Just letting you guys know. And I'll see if I can restart or no. Worst case scenario, I'll come back in the New York session, but let's hope they're not going to cut the power. But they said they might have to. Yeah, electricity spiral. I mean, no electricity at you, but I'm not going to have electricity either soon. I'm calling it a session. Oh, yeah. Catch up with you later, Ashevs. Thank you for being here. Let's go. I'm still in the position. So, I'm still waiting. Sofian, hey, good morning. My TP, I'm gonna show you. My TP is 46.25. That's where my TP is, 46.25. I think you can see it. Yeah, you can see it both on the left side here and on the right side. 46.25 is my TP. But this is a little bit of a dangerous position because it can take the elevator any second. ES took out a swing high, so it can take the elevator. I mean, look at ES. Took out this high. It can go down, reprice some levels. Down there, liquidity sweep. Not sure about what to do here. Anyway. Mary. Yeah. So. Look at gold. Oh. Gold started to go a little bit higher. Should be taking out 2411.4 on futures. Let's see how it continues. They're having some technical difficulties with trade await. Rhythmic is working, but seems like on trade awaits, the trade await accounts have some issues. I checked it. I don't have a trade await account with Apex, but with MyFundedFutures I have, and I'm gonna start it again and check it out. Earlier in the stream I checked it, but I closed it. Let me check it out again. if it's only at Apex or the problem is with trade await, I'm not sure. Credentials, copy. Let me log in. Okay. All right, let me try to put on a limit order. I mean, no, the market order is, I put on with 1 micro. It's working. No issue. At MyFundedFutures, it's working. No issue there. So yeah. It's working there. So it's something between Apex and trade await. I just took a short on gold. Let's go. Yeah, it can. The low of the order block is actually down there at 23.96. So if it wants to take out the hourly order block, it should drop. Trade await is working. All right. I cannot pay for my PA accounts. You can't pay for it. There's an issue with the payment link or something. Oh, 48 hours gone. Oh, you should open a support ticket, solo trade. Oh, with TOPSTEP. Yeah, so TOPSTEP is working. MyFundedFutures is working. Now, Solo, you have to open a support ticket maybe because the activation link is only valid until 48 hours. I think. But open a support ticket because that could be an issue there. Yeah, the only thing that is not working is Apex trade await right now. I hope they will fix it. So here's a trade. I'm still sitting in this one. TP is 2400. That's good TP. That's a very good one. Nice whole number. That could work out. Let me check it. Yeah. I think we can pierce this high. This 2411. What's the high here? 2411.4. I mean, it's very close, so don't be surprised if this one takes it out and then maybe finally going lower. Yeah, it could be. I can't really tell you because, you know, you have 48 hours, but maybe they are going to send you a new payment link or reactivate it. I don't know. That's why I'm saying you always pay attention with these things because, yeah. For example, I had a thing, I mean, that was with Buleanox, but the same thing. You have like 1 week to pay for the activation fee at Buleanox, and honestly, guys, I didn't have money, and it was quite a few months ago. It was actually last year. I didn't have money because I ran out of my monthly salary. So I said, okay, I have to wait for my salary and then pay for the activation fee. And I wrote the support, and they extended the link for an additional plus 2 weeks. So overall, I had 3 weeks to pay for the activation fee. So if Buleanox could do it, Apex should be able to do that too. Hopefully. Hopefully. You're welcome, Solo Trade. You are welcome. Let's see. Are we going to have some more expansion, or it's just gonna take the stairs? Because it can just take the stairs, I think so. It could be. Yeah, it's slow. It's slow and tricky. Gold is also tricky. I mean, on gold, this is a bearish order block, obviously. The order block starts at 24.13.14, actually. The open of the candle is 14, so that's where it starts. So I'm wondering, are we gonna go up there? Not sure. But it is slow. It is definitely slow. And look at that. NQ is taking the elevator a little bit lower. Teddies are gathering together and plans to take over. Slow is fast. Yeah. It seems like that the bears are getting back, taking control. Let's see. Oh wow, it's going. FX Entropy is swimming in profits right now. You were built, yeah, you were adding at 28 too. So you should be doing real nicely now. Need to stay under 24.13. Maybe, yeah. Yeah, I mean, don't forget we have the order block up there, but if the VWAP is going to hold it, then yes, it could stay. 600 to 630 was a range. We need to break 590 to scary bulls the shit out of them. Yeah. We all know Apex is the wild, wild west. They may agree to extend it and maybe not. Yeah. I recently tried such request with Apex and they declined and closed 2 of your PAs. Oh. Dang it. Dang it. That's not good. That's not good. Now, I also hope that they will fix their Discord soon. Let's see. Yeah, this trade is not looking all that good right now. Gold is edging higher. We'll see. It could be sweeping the lows down there. For me, it's not that good because my entry is not good. Ariub, hey, neither bullish nor bearish. I think if the bears take control, that at least they should be taking out 597. We were talking about that earlier. And look at that. It just wants to go on the 1 minute. A little bit scary to me, but not too much. I'm just with micros on this. But yes, it's very close. It's like 15 points. It's nothing for NQ to take out the swing low. Could be going down. Could be going down. Let's wait for it. Let's just wait for it. Apex is dead cat. I don't know what's wrong with trade await now on their end. They are on the edge. Maybe, but I don't think so. But yeah, I understand. They are on the edge. All these new rules and all the technical issues, not even the rules, but the technical issues are really piled up in the past few weeks, and it is annoying. But yeah, it is annoying. Back to break even with this trade. I'm not happy about that. There you go. Still waiting. Let's go. Gold is slowly edging higher. That's also interesting. That is very interesting. NQ is holding this level so far, but it looks like it wants to go down. Liquidity sweep. My target is gonna be still the same. Actually, I'm gonna put it here to 46.25 is my final TP on this trade. The bulls are fighting back a little bit. For now. For now. Let's go. Holding the level nicely. Still good. Let's hope. Let's see. It's if we zoom it out on the 5 minute, it's a structure shift. So it shifted structure. So even on the 5 minute, this would be a short opportunity, and this is when your bias comes into play. I think so. Where is the draw on liquidity? The big question. The question we always ask. Where is the draw on liquidity? That's the main thing you have to decide. You don't necessarily have to pick the daily bias, you know, because the daily bias the bias can change multiple times, I think, in a day. You just have to ask yourself, where is the next possible draw on liquidity? Where is liquidity? And I think the next possible draw on liquidity is still up there. And that's why I'm not entering this short. Eventually, at the end of your analysis, it all comes down to make the decision. Do you want to go short or do you want to go long? So some of you guys may say that, no, this is going to go down, which could be, and take the short. And, you know, that's why so many ways to play this out. So many variations, so many things. Trust your analysis. And if you have I think even if your analysis is not correct, practice and time will make you better. Just even if you stick to your analysis and use proper risk management, obviously you already did a lot for yourself, because you're not going to blow up the account so fast, even if your analysis is not correct. But more chart time, more analysis is going to make you better. So, Funded Engineer is shutting down. Not surprised on that. Absolutely not surprised on Funded Engineer. Yeah, Mary. A lot of liquidity downstairs, but I think we need to go higher first. Yes. So, yeah, I don't know really what's happening in the background with Funded Engineer, but there were obvious signs. So, so if you have your analysis, even if your analysis is not correct, journal it down. What was the mistake? How the market behaved against your analysis, whatever. But still, if you use proper risk management and stick to your analysis, even if you're on a losing streak, you're not going to blow up your account. You're not going to blow up your account that easy. So, and the more analysis you do, the more practice you're doing, guess what? your analysis is going to get better. And since you're already doing good with risk management, you're automatically going to be a better trader. It's easy to say. I know it's super easy to say and super easy to hear it, but it's the hardest thing when you are on a losing streak, especially on a losing streak. What you can do on a losing streak is size down. Now I know it's weird because you're never going to make money, you say to yourself, but it's not true. Just size down. I get some heat and some critics and hate because, oh, Tom is trading with micros, he's never going to make money. All right. All right. But I don't want to blow. I mean, there's nothing wrong with blowing away hundreds of evaluation accounts. There's nothing wrong with that. It's all depending on how much time did it take for a person to blow that account? How is your trading style still going on after blowing all those evaluations? Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking about this because that's a different topic. We can do maybe a podcast about this later. Now I'm just gonna watch this trade and look at gold. Gold is holding the position down here below 13. Yeah, so the problem is there's still two bearish order blocks. One is at 14 on the 1 hour. The other one is at 16.1 on the 15 minutes. So not sure. Not sure. I'm holding this trade since 2 hours now. More than 2 hours I'm holding this trade. It's not good. This year's record is 6 hours and 17 minutes. This year, that's the record. Holding a trade for 6 hours and 17 minutes. So let's see if we can break that record. Push the like button, guys, and subscribe. There's going to be giveaways this week too. So make sure to subscribe. And it's free to like. And it really... And if you would like to support the channel, please use any of my codes and links. Thank you. At TopStep, there's only a link, but if you already have an account with TopStep and if you're planning to buy another account, you can still give some credit to the stream by clicking on my link. And that's it. That was the commercial. Slow Monday, that's for sure, for now. With trades like this, you should get a second hobby, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. I will be making a nice, not shirt, but you know, nice sweater is what I meant to say. I will be making a nice sweater for you guys, and I'm gonna give it away on live stream. A nice sweater. ES is running. Yeah. Oh yeah, ES is pushing. ES is pushing. Not surprised on ES. It's going. So the next liquidity pocket, I think, would be at 47.25. 46.25, but yeah, just to fill that time. Yeah, my TP is at 46.25. Let me show you. 46.25, and just saying I'm copy trading this between a few. These are only evaluation accounts and not all of them, but I have some groups that I'm copy trading, only micros, but we'll see. So I'm not putting trades on my funded accounts on Monday and Fridays. Well, sometimes I break my rules, of course, but I'm not going to do anything with Monday on the funded accounts. But building up some more evaluation accounts. Knitted sweater sounds like an awesome giveaway. Yeah, right? We could do that. We could absolutely do that. If it breaks 632, it will fly. Yeah, I agree. It should be, if it breaks this high at 32, it should be breaking into this 5-minute fair value gap. Should be going for it. Excuse me. Yeah. Let's go, Marcos. Let's go. I have my stress ball here, you know, pushing it. It says Dunder Mifflin Paper Company. Look at that. It's just going sideways. Gold stop moving. That means it's consolidating. It will go down or up. Huge volume. Yeah. Let's go to gold for a second. Yes. So this feels like a little bit more bullish, unfortunately, for you guys who are short. Shifted structure on the 15-minute. We have bearish order blocks on the 15-minute and on the 1 hour higher. And both have the top at 2418.7. So this feels bullish on gold. This feels definitely bullish on gold. More targets on the upside, I think, right now, currently. But the higher time frame rules, so we have still the 1 hour bullish order block down there. This is the decision point for gold to decide if it wants to squeeze everybody higher or take the elevator down. I think it's a decision point for both NQ and gold. Still in the kill zone, so anything can happen. Anything can happen. Dum, 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 dum. Gonna wait for it, of course. I don't know. I don't know what to think of this anymore. But waiting is a skill. And you have to wait a lot. When you trade, you have to wait like super lot. A lot. Almost seems like NQ is plugged off or unplugged. Winning is a skill too. Yeah. I like that. I like that one. I'm not patient many times. So try to be, but it's sometimes it's super hard to be patient, especially during these markets. It's summertime, you know, guys. Everything is a little bit more slower. So summer trading is a little bit more slower. Best volumes, I think, not that I'm a super expert, but I think are in March, April, February, and September, October, November. Those are the best volume. That's why I can only trade momentum. Yeah, so that's why everybody's favorite is the New York session, most likely. And I'm taking the graveyard shift in London. No, not just London. I'm taking, it's not a graveyard shift, but obviously we have a lot of more opportunities during the New York stream, New York session. You know, when I'm not comfortable with a trade, I just go break even and make me calm, nothing to lose. That's also a good idea. Now, for example, and this is a good example on my end. Look at this. Let's talk about this for a brief moment. If I would have put this trade to break even earlier here, this trade would have got me out at break even, and I would be killing myself because of FOMO right now. Of course, it can still go down, right? But at this moment, FOMO would be messing up my brain so much that, you know, that would be very bad. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower my stop a little bit here. Obviously, if we break lower than 96, then we're going to go lower and lower. So at least the risk to reward ratio will be good on this one. So the FOMO would be messing up my whole thinking process and everything. And that's why I'm very rarely put my trades at break even, because usually this is what happens. I put my trade to break even here, boom, goes down, takes me at break even and goes. And I hate that. I just hate that. I can't get over that thing. That is something I can't do. My friend, for me, your entry was that almost 4 times. Yeah. Great entry. You are correct. Come on, Marcus. I'm not. I still have to optimize my entries, and at least I have a little bit more patience nowadays for the trades. But there's still one more issue I have to work on, which is the being more patient on the funded accounts. So it's easy to say on an evaluation account that I'm patient, but of course there's not too many at stake on an evaluation account. But yeah, look at that. Now it's going back. Hey, did anyone have a problem? Yeah, TopStep X, no. I thought that you're saying trade away. TopStep X was, I mean, I'm not using TopStep X because I'm copy trading with Quant Tower, but obviously, I mean, didn't hear anything about issues with TopStep X so far. I mean, they had some glitches when they started it out, but ERP Media, hey, yes, that's a good entry. All right. Did you get 10 points there? Yeah, I'm sitting in about 15 points now. 1150 was my entry. So right now I'm sitting at about 13 points. So just waiting. I wish TopStep had a free reset right now. I feel you there. Yeah. Gold. Let's check on gold. Yeah, good idea. So we were talking about this, and that's the problem with gold is we have bearish order block here on the 15-minute and also on the 1 hour. Look at this, bearish order block 1 hour and on the 15-minute, but we also have a bullish order block here as well. So it reacted to the order block down here. Now it's pushing it higher. If I go to the 15-minute, we still have a 15-minute order block up at 2416.1-ish. It could still push it lower. This is a decision point. It feels like bullish right now. Gold may want to go into that 15-minute order block, excuse me, and then have it pushed down. Yeah. So not sure what to think of gold. It's a coin flip right now. Right now, this area here on the 15-minute, this is a coin flip. It can go either way. There is a theory in both ways. I mean, definitely it made a support level on the VWAP. Just VWAP on the volume weighted average price level here. And now it's trying to push. The next level would be at 2416.1. There's a fair value gap too on the 5-minute there. On TradingView, you cannot. Yeah, boy, though. You cannot trade Rhythmic on TradingView. I mean, what you can do is if you don't want to trade, well, yeah, no, nothing. I just thought that. I mean, I know some people are only watching TradingView and they have opened up Rhythmic Trader Pro, but only the buy and sell tabs with the account tab, and they're just pushing on the buy and the sell button on the Rhythmic Trader Pro tab, and they're watching only TradingView charts. But that's personal preference, I guess. Have a nice day, Married. Thanks for dropping in. Nice. Thanks for being here. Oh my God, you have to sleep. Sleep then. 3:24 a.m. Have a good night. Rest up and see you later. Thanks for joining. Yeah, so gold is still edging a little bit higher. Created some support here. So I don't know what to think of this. But it did create a support. At least some kind of a support. I think so. NQ holding. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's a slow Monday, don't be surprised. Could be tricky. ERP media, I'm thinking of retest at London low 597. Oh yeah. Yeah, if it decides to tank, obviously it should go through 611 and then take out the swing low. And also the thing that concerns me, we have these candles from before the London kill zone at 115 and 120 down there. Now those candles are having almost the bodies of the candles are almost equal, and these swing lows are usually like to get taken out. We still have a fair value gap down there. Didn't really go below the midnight level. We have a lot of targets to the downside, and the VWAP is still here. So it really has a hard time up there for the bulls. The way I trade the Nasdaq, it is impossible to apply it gold. It would burn your account. I see. Yeah, that's why, I mean, I always try to be more careful with gold. It's acting differently. I think gold makes more dirty moves. I think it's not really respecting those levels that it should, and it just shakes out everyone much more often. That's what I saw last year too when I was trading it, and I noticed I have noticed that this year too, that it's shaking off everybody a lot more. But you know, yeah, gold is holding the area, and I think NQ is just out of steam. It could be taking the elevator anytime. If I look at the 15-minute, wow. The 15-minute Nasdaq is just so out of steam. It's super tired. Ready to go back down to 97, I think. Sweep the lows down there and just whatever. Yeah, look at that. I think it's gonna go down. Do you usually close your trades if it goes past London kill zone? No. No, I usually, if I have my target and my stop set up, I don't close it. I don't close it. If I have it on a funded account, and if I have major news, for example, at 8:30, then I close it before major news, like 20 minutes or 30 minutes before, so around 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. But as I said it before, my longest trade from London session was 6 hours and 17 minutes. I was holding it. So if this one starts to consolidate, I'm just gonna wait it out and that's it. I mean, of course, I'm not gonna be sitting here. I'll be on my way. The stop loss take profit levels are set up, so everything is connected. Orders are connected. So I just let it play out. You're welcome. You're welcome. Because I don't want to, basically, I don't want to feel the FOMO. I hate the FOMO. That's the worst thing I fear. I mean, I don't like that really messing me up. So I just don't want to have FOMO. And for me, one of the best ways to fight the FOMO is to let the trade play out itself. And I also said it many times that I take a stop loss anytime better than a FOMO trade. So actually, I would take 2 stop losses than 1 FOMO trade, like an A+ trade that I don't take, and I'm gonna be having FOMO all day. I trade that into 2 stop losses. That's how much I hate the FOMO. And one reasons to fight it is to one way to fight it for me is to let the trade play out itself. Yep. Gold is going sideways here. Do we have some kind of a news? Yeah, the only news is 830 Empire State Manufacturing Index. Yeah. Yes, it makes sense. I mean, I just found that out through experience. It was easier for me to deal with the FOMO. So many people were asking me in the past few months that why don't I put the trade to break even? This is why. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Also, trading in the zone, Mark Douglas says in the book or in his workshops online that put the trade on and forget it. Don't mess around with the stop and the take profit, whatever. Predetermine your risk. How much are you going to risk on this one? How much are you willing to go as a profit? Predetermine your risk to reward ratios. And once you put on the trade, that's it. You're done. You did your job. All you can do is sit back and observe. And that's it. You should not be interfering with the trade. I'm not saying putting it to break even is a bad thing, but that's also a way to fight. And he was also talking about how to deal with FOMO, how to deal with frustration. And he said exactly this. This is a way to deal with frustration. You put on the trade, you make peace with the outcome. This is exactly what he said. You make peace with the outcome. Even if it should be a stop or a full take profit, that's it. Do you have a loss daily limit? Yes, I have on the evaluation accounts, which are usually 50Ks on my end. I like the 50Ks. The evaluation accounts, I can go crazier. I can go down to $600, $700, $800 super easy. No problem. No problem. $800, $900. Try to keep it below 1,000. On the funded accounts, which are also 50Ks, now that's a different thing because I risk a little bit less. If on the funded accounts I'm down to $500 or $600 on a day, that's the mental stop for me. That's what I should say, like, okay, this is it. You can't take no more. $500 or $600 on a funded account. If I reach the limit on my mental limit on a funded account, and if I still want to trade, I might move on to another funded account, or maybe to an evaluation account, because of course it's hard to stop the mind from trading. But one thing I can do is move to another funded account. I think that's one way to go with. So I'm trading super slow. I don't care. I also got some hate because of this. I don't care. I'm a very, very slow trader. How many accounts do you trade, copy? I split that into groups, but on the funded accounts, I don't copy trade. I have right now 7 or 8 funded accounts. I only actively trade on 3 or 4 of them. So very slowly with micros. I don't copy trade them. I don't copy trade the funded accounts. The evaluation accounts, I have like 20 with different prop firms. I have everything you see up there: BuleNox, TopSTEP, MyFundedFutures, whatever. I copy trade them with a group of 3 or 4. So I separated them to groups. Yeah, lifetime. Everything is lifetime. Also because I don't want to feel the pressure at the end of the month. So for example, I have a BuleNox funded account for 40 days now, getting ready for payout soon, hopefully. I just don't like to feel the pressure, like, oh my god, 30 days off, I have to pay the monthly fee at Apex. I don't like that. I want to get rid of that feeling from my mind. I know it's more expensive, but I don't like the feeling. I don't like the pressure. I have a monthly budget, even not just for trading, but for my personal expenses. I have a monthly budget, and I don't want to have it on the budget list like, oh, I have to pay the next monthly fee. Ugh. Lifetime, and it's out of my mind, and I don't have to focus on it. Yeah, is your strategy? It's your strategy in your way. Yeah, there is no right or wrong. Yeah, everybody's different. That's what I did too. I don't want to be straight. Yeah, having a monthly payment, I will only do it with the big account. If I would have, for example, a 300K account, and if I could not make it, for example, right now we have this $85 lifetime activation discount until the mid of August, but I don't have this type of account because I'm small. I'm working with small accounts. But if I would do a 300K account or a 150K account, whatever, maybe 150K, maybe not, but a 300K, 250K account, I would go with the monthly fee, maybe, because obviously the first payout threshold would cover at least a few months of fees. But my goal here with the 50Ks are to take out $1,000 from each of the accounts that just don't want to pay $85 monthly. Don't like that. It eases up the stress for me. Stop loss hit, you're out. Let's see. Gold is gold is making new highs. Oh yeah, unfortunately. Sorry to hear that. I mean, it's still not over yet. We still have the New York session and everything. So just, you know, it's just one trade. If you manage risk well, it won't be a big issue. You can make it back super easy. NQ is just going sideways anyways. But anyways, guys, I think I'm going to cut it here because I'm not taking more trades. I'll be back in the New York session. I'm going to keep these trades. I'm going to keep this trade. Even if it takes me out, I don't care. I'll be coming back in the New York session, all right, before the news. And thank you so much for being here, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, push the like button, and if you would like to support the stream and the channel, please use my codes and links. There are some very good sales going on still. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for everything, and I'll be back in the New York session. All right, so take care, everybody. I'm gonna do some stuff IRL as well, go shopping and stuff. So let's see what it happens with this trade. So take care, everybody. Be safe, and see you guys in the New York session. All right. All right. Be safe, stay well. Cheers, everyone.